this video, we're excited to introduce our brand new shop project, the 2026 Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT, finished in torch red. This particular Corvette comes loaded with some incredible options, including the Z51 Performance Package, GT bucket seats, the Stealth Interior Trim Package, torch red seat belts, two-tone adrenaline red seats, bright red painted brake calipers, 20-spoke midnight gray forged aluminum wheels with a red stripe, black lug nuts, front radiator grille screens, carbon flash metallic painted outside mirrors and spoiler and black exhaust tips. A special thank you to Caleb for working with us to bring this beautiful car home, along with sales managers Sean and John, and finally Michaela in finance. Caser Dealership, located in Janesville, Wisconsin, is a fantastic place to do business without any added pressure and honest people. This car's journey began in Bowling Green, Kentucky, on March 6, 2026 at the General Motors Bowling Green assembly line. From there, it made its way all the way up to Janesville, Wisconsin. And now, it's here. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and hope you are excited to see the start to our journey of modifying this car. As we continue adding new enhancements, more videos will be on the way, so stay tuned. And do us a favor before you leave by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a single episode. It's going to be an incredible journey, and we're glad to have you along for the ride.